organizing content series is strike the right balance. This leading practice is all about understanding how to balance the needs of those stakeholders with the expectations of your users, especially as your content evolves. The challenge with content structures is that there's never a perfect answer for the broadest set of users. So here are some concepts that help support you as you make decisions about your content. And this begins with the top level of your content structures. So think about the 4, 5, 6, 7 items a user sees as soon as they come to the site. These need to be intuitive to the broadest set of users. And then as your users navigate deeper into the content structure, how are you making sure they see content that's relevant to them? You can use their profile information to make better decisions about what's visible. And then the next leading practice concept here is around making sure that the content gets more specific the deeper a user dives into the content structure. And of course, if you did well at the first leading practice around helping your users be effective, you should have a good understanding of your stakeholder needs and user expectations. So you need to constantly balance that as you're making decisions about your content structure. Read on in this module to learn more about how to strike the right balance using ServiceNow capabilities and making good decisions. Thank you so much.